I'm back on another video, that is the buffer 2, the second video of the buffer part. So here we're discussing about some extra base but based on buffer. Yeah, your guess is right. That is multi-ring buffers, right? So first question came, what is a multi-ring buffer and what is the difference between the buffer and multi-ring buffers? It's too much easy, really. So the first one I discussing based on the production. Suppose this guy want to sell up to 300-meter area as a free of cost. Whatever we discussed in the previous video, that is based on the buffer. But suppose you think this guy more than 300 but less than 400-meter area, he want to give the service but some extra charge. Guess 10% extra based on the price. Delivery fees will be 10% extra based on the price. And after 400 but within 500, that area he can give the delivery around extra 20% of delivery taxes based on the price. So how much area is covered within this area based on his charges? Let's we analyze to help him to grow his business. So within our toolbox, exactly in the same position, the analyze tool, just in proximity, just below the buffer, you can find this multi-ring buffer. I think based on the name you can guess what is the result. Yes, let's explore. So this is my multiple ring buffer tool. Here we have to input that point features, and here it is the output. I can save it here. That is my destination folder. I can just name it multi, just mlt, and ring ring or buff for point, and this is my extension. Save it. And came to the distance. What is the first distance? 300. He give as a free delivery, right? More than 300 but less than 400. But what is the limitation? 400, right? So you have to input 400. Add it. This is the symbol of add. Whatever the distance you want to add, you need to click here. Exactly. Again you want to add another 100 meters. That's mean up to 500. That means his limitation is up to 500-meter area. So this is another 500. That means total 500. Add it. And again come to the buffer unit. Here it is default, but you need to change it your requirement length measurement unit. My record is meter. I just change this meter. And here is field name. What is the meaning of this field name? I will discuss. It is a surprise for you. So viewers, just this is my input. And another thing, suppose you want to delete something or you input something wrong, then just select it and just click it here. It automatically remove it. Then okay, it's making the buffer, the surprise buffer, multi-ring buffer. After making the differences, you can easily understand what is the difference between the actual buffer and multi-ring buffer. It's preparing the output. Okay, we have to wait. This is the result of the multi-ring buffer. And here is the surprise. Just open the attribute table. It's showing. See distance. I already told you now. There is a surprise. This is the distance. What is the utility? After labeling, you can understand. It's loading. Level, just make the level, just make it some interactive. Yes, just off. Is that clear? This is the location of the milk house. Just change the color. Green will be good. This is the milk location, milk outlet location. So for that guy it will be good to understand how much area covered within free delivery, which zone is covered 10% cost as a delivery charge, and what is the 20% cost as a delivery charge. So in this way we can use the multiple ring buffer to analyze our real life things. Exactly, by the line we get the same kind of output, but for which person you have to analyze, for which purpose you have to use it. So you can change the symbology to get the better understanding as of your analyze. Okay, I just close it. Oh, it's not responding. Sometimes it makes the problem. So this is the line. Based on the line you can also use the same tool, multiple ring buffer, and as of my knowledge you can guess the what is the result. This is my name and extension. Okay, exactly, suppose here I input the same 300, 400 and 500, and the buffer unit is meters for me, and just okay, it's running. Actually it's a little bit complex analysis rather than buffer, but it's too much useful. Different kind of industry workers, different types of e-commerce agency analyze this way. They also have the buffer zone. See, this is the output. Even it's not covered my image, right? Based on this line 300, 400, 500. So scientist, you can explore on your own project, and if you explore on based on this multi-ring buffer, don't forget to give a screenshot in my comment in this video. Thank you guys.